What's up, guys? It is 1:22 p.m. This is a brief market update. Doing it a little different today because my internet is out. They're doing some work on the street trying to upgrade the internet around here. So unfortunately, it's gonna have to be like this today. I feel so useless not being able to, be on the computer. But basically, we're on the 20-minute chart for Bitcoin. And let me slow this treadmill down. Basically, we need to watch the 200 moving average, the red and the yellow line together, because as soon as we started going into this uptrend, that's when we broke above the 200 moving average, the EMA and the SMA for the yellow and the red line. So we want to see the EMA ribbon flip bullish and get above the 200 MAs. This whole time, we've been holding it as support. Let me turn this off. We've been holding it as support. So we saw support, support, support. Right now, we're right at it. Support, support, support. I would say that if we break that 200 moving average, we're going to have a little bit of a correction. I would say 26K is our likely target because that's where we found resistance, and we haven't come back down to retest like 26K-ish. And right where that 200 moving average is around 27,500. Right now we're at 27,750. So we're very close to that point. So be prepared for if we break that to come down maybe $1,500, somewhere around there. But to the upside, we need to see us break back above the EMA ribbon, which is sitting around 28K. So we need to get above 28K and then ultimately back above that market structure ribbon. And then we'd have to take out the 786, which is likely around that $28,400 level, so we can start seeing more upside. But if we go all the way out, we zoom out, this is a 20-minute chart. So this is for short term. But if we went to the 1 week, so on the 1 week chart, we are back above the 200 moving average. So we're back above the 200 moving average there, the yellow and the red line. And that is currently sitting at 25,500. So 26K to 25,500 if we do pull back down. But honestly, we really just have the 28K to 33K area of resistance back over here from 2021. So let me see where that is. That's 29K, 29.5K to 32K. And right now we're at 27,000. So we're just a hair away from hitting some key resistance levels. So we got to get above there. We need to see the momentum continue. And right now on the weekly chart, we are seeing the TSI right there get above the zero line. We're seeing the MACD dark green. We're above the RSI on the above the 50 line on the RSI, and the stock RSI is crossing up and it's above that 80 level, and the pink's above the blue. So that's all good as far as the macro picture. But for the short term, I would say that 20-minute chart is key as far as knowing if we're going to short-term rally and continue going up at this pace. So 20-minute chart, put it on your Bitcoin chart, watch those yellow and red lines, the 200 moving average, and they're honestly coinciding right with that 786 from this low to that high. The 786 is sitting right where those 200 moving averages are. So key level, if we break that, we're probably going to come down to 26K, 25.5K, and then we'd want to hold that as support since that's the 200 moving average on the weekly. Then we want to break up above 28.5K. So that's a quick little update. Doing the best that I can with no internet, so hopefully that helps. And I'll see you guys when I'm back online.